Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong no contact love reading. Okay, para ito sa lahat ng water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Yan. And kung in contact naman kayo sa person ninyo or maayos ang relationship ninyo, okay, you may leave this behind or you can stay there to watch and maybe share ninyo sa mga water signs na kilala nyo na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. Okay, and gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa lahat ng water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bagong nakasubaybay, subscribe na po kayo sa Mystico Moreno channel para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings in the future. Okay? Also, announcement. And dahil dahil Aries season ngayon, which is a fire sign. So, and I am an Aries. Okay, so meron akong gift sa lahat ng aking subscribers. Okay, so two lucky subscribers ang bibigyan ko ng free personal private love reading. Okay. So, yung detalye kung paano maka-join sa promo ay sasabihin ko sa dulo ng video na ito. So, abangan nyo na lang sa end. Alright, so balik na tayo dito. So, bubunot ako dito ng dalawang cards that would be the overall energy ng connection ninyo, yung no contact situation mo with your person. Tapos, i-detalye natin siya using the other deck. Okay. So, I'll get the third card. Dahil March pa ngayon. First card. Nine of Wands. Second card. Knight of Wands. From 9 to night. Okay. So, and since persons, it's really more about your desire. Desire to reconnect. Ito yung nakikita kong energy dito. So, currently, in no contact kayo. Okay. So, currently, in no contact kayo. May, pero, sa Nine of Wands is, kasi si Nine of Wands is a card of resilience or enduring any challenge. Okay, and the challenge now, syempre, between you and your person is the no contact situation. However, it will shift or have this energy of Knight of Wands, which is parang yung eagerness nyo to work things out na magkaayos kayo. And so from you want to overcome this challenge and you will endure pala this challenge. Although part of it, syempre, dahil nga may conflict, yung reason naman na no contact, hindi lang naman siya dahil gusto namin, di ba? May reason siya, may conflict na nangyari, may di pagkakaunawaan, argument, away, di ba? So, even if gusto ninyo na magkaayos din, medyo guarded yung heart niyo kasi which is normal naman kasi nasaktan kayo. So, parang medyo may cautiousness ng konti when it comes to this desire to reconnect and break the no contact. Pero tingnan natin, alamin natin yung detalye ng overall energy na ito using this deck. And I would like to remind everyone, as always, like before sa mga iba kong videos, that this reading may or may not resonate with everyone. Kasi collective reading ito. Okay? Kaya, pwedeng hindi ko na-tap yung energy ninyo. First, take whatever resonates. Pag hindi talaga nag-resonate, It means hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga previous videos na na-post ko na. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate. Dahil ang tarot and oracle reading naman talaga ay timeless. Kaya best pa rin to book a personal private love reading kasi mas naka-align yung reading na yun sa energy ninyo. Okay, naka-tune in tayo sa energy nyo. So, versus collective reading na, yeah, I'm tapping everyone's energy. Okay? Sige, so bubunot ako ng 8 cards from here that would detail out yung overall energy na to. And I'll get the third card. As always. Dahil March pa rin ngayon. First card, King of Wands. Okay. Second card, Five of Wands. Okay. It's about desire talaga. Wands. Third card, the Hermit. Fourth card, Four of Swords. Next card, the Hierophant. Next card, Seven of Swords. Okay. Next card, Page of Pentacles. And last card, Six of Swords. Okay, kailangan nyo talaga mag-usap. And nasa thoughts nyo rin. So, there's the desire. And parang you have to put it into action. Wala, parang isa lang yung isa lang yung pentacles. Putting into action or materializing things. So, nandun yung desire, nandun yung idea or yung thought of wanting to reconnect. Okay, but yung putting into action, wala pa masyado. Pero anyway, ayan, bottom of the deck, again, Four of Wands, another wand. Okay. Sige. So, that's the energy that you don't see coming. Okay, the Four of Wands. And, yan, interpret natin. So, you might be dealing with a Virgo or a Taurus. So, doesn't have to. Pero yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. And, pwedeng yun yung placement ng yun yung placement ng kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising. So, check nyo na lang din. Kung ano yung Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, baka Taurus or Virgo sila doon sa mga placements na yan. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, there's the desire to work things out and nakita din dito, it started with the King of Wands, which is really there's an intense desire to ayusin yung relationship dynamics because King of Wands is a card of relationship dynamics din and putting into action. So, isa nga sa inyo will break the no contact or pwedeng mutual, sabay kayo na bilang tara, usap tayo, ganun. Kasi, here, it's really, and gusto niyo pag-usapan yung conflict na nangyari and whatever incompatibilities na meron kayo sa inyong connection. Kasi Five of Wands is a card of parang may tension and merong sort of hindi siya yung competition na parang naglalaban lang kayo na sino mas magaling sa relasyon, hindi. Pero there's parang may power struggle, yun na lang. Parang may power struggle between the two of you na kasi yung sino yung masusunod sa relationship, which is dapat hindi, dapat balance siya, di ba? Walang dapat ako yung masunod. Ito, ano ka lang. Dapat, kung para may gusto kayo pareho, di ba? Either magkaroon ng compromise or Yeah, sige, pagbigyan niya isa, but the next time, ikaw naman. May ganun. Pero, yun, isa yun sa mga tension na nakikita kong reason din kung bakit nagkaroon ng conflict and nag-lead to no contact. But pag-uusapan niyo yun, and there's the desire to really work things out nga. But at the moment talaga is confirmed na parang tinatry niyo pang i-process yung mga emotions niyo, yung nangyaring issue, yung conflict, and ngayon may space nga between the two of you, and ina-assess nyo pa paano gagawin. Okay? Kasi as shown here by the Hermit card na you're in solitude, both parties. Kaya, and, hindi nag-uusap. Pero, dito din kasi, it helps. And, nakakatulong actually siya kasi dito si Four of Swords is a card of rest, pause, di ba? Parang makarecover kayo, time to heal from the conflict or the issue or the argument or yung away para mas makapag-isip kayo at maupuan nyo siya on your own kung paano gagawin and ano yung actions na kailangan nyo gawin. And then rin yung parang naging role ninyo, on contribution ninyo. And same with the other party, dun sa conflict na nag-end sa no contact. Okay? And it helps because eventually, there will be alignment as shown here by the Hierophant. Parang yung mga gusto ninyo mag-a-align na, and because of that, yun nga, mas mapag-usapan ninyo yung mag-break na yung no contact, tapos alamin ninyo okay, what's the next step or how will we resolve this. Okay? Kasi, pero, medyo ingat din kayo dun sa, kaya dito, Nine of Wands, di ba? Parang sabi ko kanina, si Nine of Wands has this energy of being cautious and guarded. Why? Because you felt, dito, lumabas si Seven of Swords Parang sinasabi na, kaya kayo medyo guarded nga. Siyempre, may nasaktan kayo. So, ingat kayo na ma-deceive. Kaya di ba na parang, minamanipula lang ako nito ano lang ako nito parang pinapaikot lang ako nito May ganun ka ng tendency because of what happened in the recent past na nag-cause nga ng conflict. However, here sa Page of Pentacles, okay, na gusto niyo naman, and yung person niyo would put it into action, ano yung mga gusto niyang baguhin, ayusin sa relationship. And Page of Pentacles kasi is a card of loyalty din. So, I can see here na talagang loyal naman tong tao na to sa'yo. Okay, so, meron mang dito sa Seven of Swords na parang feeling mo you were deceived and all. Wala naman ako nakikita energy na niloko ka talaga niya. Pero ang parang naging issue is yung hindi proper yung communication ninyong dalawa. Okay? So, kasi dito, wala ring swords Hindi lumabas yung swords. So, parang hindi balance. So, inexistent. Tama ba yung term? Parang hindi kayo nag-usap ng maayos, ng matino. Okay, puro desires, puro lang. And even yung swords pa na lumabas dito is parang sinasabi nga na kailangan nyo mag-usap. Kasi dito, Seven of Swords, hindi naman siya yung energy na you really talk Tapos si Six of Swords naman is moving on, healing, and surrender. So, but again, itong Page of Pentacles is very loyal naman tong tao and gusto niya din talaga ng long-term relationship sa inyo na for him or her, it's saddening nga na nag-stop siya or nag-pause siya at the moment. Kasi hindi naman siya totally stop. Kasi I don't see any parang energy of break up or total separation. Parang temporary lang. Temporary separation, temporary asking for space. Kasi here din, tayo nagtapat si Four of Swords and Six of Swords, which is time to rest and then time of healing, si Six of Swords. So, I see that mag-heal na rin itong wounds na nangyari between you and your person, each other's wounds, and yung wound ng relationship. So, it's healing. Diba? Kasi here, bottom of the deck and the energy you don't see coming is the Four of Wands, which is parang a reunion, a milestone, diba? So, reunion card siya. So, from no contact, may no contact, from hindi maayos na relasyon, magiging maayos yung relasyon, and there will be, and Four of Wands is also a card of celebration. So, yeah, it's a celebration soon. You don't see coming. Pero ngayon, syempre, yung energy or nakafocus kayo na sa no contact. But what's the universe saying is nakikita dito yung energy of a reunion and working things out. Magkakaayos kayong dalawa. Okay, so just take, parang i-maximize nyo rin. Yung time, it's important. Yung space to really sit down on it. Use it really to reflect. Hindi to avoid the situation. Diba? Kasi kung in-avoid nyo lang, okay, hindi nyo pinrocess yung emotion nyo. Pag bumalik siya, hindi ka ready. Diba? So, you must be ready din. Dapat healed ka na rin. Kasi kapag bumalik siya, tas unhealed ka, may mga grudges ka pa, rin yan, bubrew lang siya, tapos biglang, puputok na naman yung issue pag may konting lang na nag-trigger nun. Diba? So, it's important na both of you are ready and use the time and the space at the moment of no contact to assess everything and process all the emotions. Para pag nag-reunite kayo, clear lahat at ma-relay ninyo yung mga gusto nyong sabihin. Okay, so before I end, bubunot ako ng 3 oracle cards dito. 1 for each sign. That would be the advice of the universe sa inyo if you're in this situation. At kung nag-resonate ito. Okay, sige. So, if you're a Cancer, ito yung advice ng universe kayo. Confidence. Okay. Yeah. So, parang sinasabi lang dito when it comes to the confidence naman is, yeah, be confident or na first kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, yeah, dapat may confidence ka lalo na kapag nag-usap na kayo. Hindi yung parang, ay, undecided ka or bibigay ka din sa anong gusto niya, ganyan siya. Parang magsasabi siya ng mga gusto niya sa relasyon, tapos ikaw hindi ka confident to nasabihin or i-assert din yung gusto mong mangyari sa relasyon, di ba? So, dapat talaga balance and you have to have this confidence when the time comes na mag-uusap na kayo. Okay, if you're a Pisces, faith. Okay, have faith that everything will work out well. Kasi gusto nyo naman talaga. Pero manalig, keep manifesting and stay positive. Huwag yung pessimistic. Kasi if nega din kayo, talagang negative energy yung i-attract ninyo. So, alisin nyo yung negativity, be optimistic, manifest na magkaayos, and the universe will help you kasi nakikita niya na yun yung end goal niyo, manifest niyo, and walang halong nega sa thoughts. Okay, and last, if you're a Scorpio, okay, aspiration. So, I think, just sabi lang na continue to parang yun yung goal na magkaayos. And similar siya dun sa parang manifestation na aspire na mangyari siya. And while aspiring it, di ba, na yung sinabi ko kanina, you have to be ready. Kasi gusto mo yun, na-aspire mo, mina-manifest mo. Tapos pag dumating, hindi ka pala ready. Kasi hindi ka pa nag-process ng maayos ng emotions mo, hindi ka pa fully healed. Di ba? And the same thing dun sa other party. Pero, yeah, ikaw yung mas may awareness kasi you're the one listening to this video at umabot ka dito sa point na to. So, I hope this will guide you na yun yung kailangan mong gawin din. You really have to be ready pag dumating na yung opportunity or yung time na ma-break yung contact, magkaayos kayo, mag-usap, and i-try i-resolve. So, ayun. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Okay, so now, let's proceed sa promo. Okay, so, mamimigay nga ako ng 2 free personal private readings sa 2 water signs. Okay, this is my birthday treat. Diba? Birthday treat sa lahat ng aking subscriber. Okay, dahil I'm an Aries at Aries season ngayon. So, birthday treat ko siya. And ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is first, mag-email kayo and share your story, and I will read. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ano yung reading na pwede natin gawin. But indicate your username, share your story, indicate your username. Tapos, pipili ako ng 2 na magsisend ng email. Nabibigyan ko ng love reading, private personal love reading. Tapos, provide ko yung details. After nyo mag-email, so make sure na nandun yung username na ginagamit ninyo sa YouTube. Tapos, balikan nyo tong video na to, comment below yung sign niyo. For example, Scorpio, then email sent. Tapos, i-check ko. And I can see kung subscriber kayo. So, ibabangga ko yung username din dun sa comment and dun sa email. And then, ayun, I'll do the selection process. Okay, so join na kayo. It's a free personal private reading. Okay, so i-push nyo na yan. So, minsan lang to. And, di ba, once a year lang naman ang Aries season. At once a year lang tong birthday treat. Okay, sige. So, yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta. Kita-kits na muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!